Hi everyone, I am Sargam. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel Life of Sargam. So in today's video I'm going to show you a mini facial kit which is of organic harvest. So without any further ado, let's get started. And yes, this wonder kit contains only 5 steps. First step is cleanser, then the second step is face scrub, and third step is massage gel, and the fourth step is massage cream, and the fifth step is face serum. I got this kit for free. If you also want the kit for free, then click the link in the description below. And once you open it, ask to complete the survey, and there will be some basic questions. And after completing the survey, you can get it for free. You just need to pay ₹99 for delivery charge. So I'm going to tell you the step which we need to follow. And the first step is face cleanser. Apply massaging in a circular motion for 2 minutes and wipe off with a moist cotton. And after 2 minutes, wipe off with a moist cotton. And the second step is organic scrub. Apply and leave for 1 to 2 minutes, then massage in gentle circular movements for 2 minutes and wipe off with moist cotton. Leave it for 2 minutes. Massage for 1 minute and then wipe off. Massage gel. Apply and gentle circular upward motion with your fingertips for 10 minutes and wipe off excess cream with moist cotton. And the fourth step is massage cream. Apply evenly all over the face and neck, avoiding eye area, leaving it on for 10 minutes. Wet the mask and lightly massage to remove. Wipe off with wet cotton. And the fifth step is face serum. Generously apply the serum on cleansed face, using the fingertips evenly on the face and neck in upward direction. And yes, we have completed all the steps and my skin look like this. So if you want to try a good and a small product, so you can definitely go for it. And this is really nice at a very reasonable price. So leave a comment, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye guys. Love you all. Stay tuned.